What's that?
Which flavor you like, Mama?
Where?
The white one or the chocolate one?
I like the... Can you guess what's my favorite flavor?
Yeah,
What's my favorite flavor?
chocolate.
Chocolate. That's good. You're correct.
Now you put your chocolate here now.
Okay. Can you do that for me?
You know, yes. What is that brown thing?
That brown thing is chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah. Be careful. Be careful.
Oh, I got it.
Be careful.
Hey, it's not popping.
It's not?
It's not popping.
What do you mean?
It's not popping. Come on.
My turn.
Yes.
Do like this.
Hey, don't pick the white one.
Oh, I'm not picking the white one.
That's mine.
I don't. Oh, it's not yours? What's
That's
the
not
flavor?
mine. This one is mine.
What's the flavor of that white thing?
I put it all the way on the top.
Oh, not yet. What's the flavor of this white here?
Not chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate white.
No, it's cookies. I told you.
Cookies and cream.
Yeah. Don't forget, okay?
Okay. I have this one.
What do you have?
And it's a Robson.
Huh?
It's a Robson. The volcano is a clothing.
Mhm.
It's full of lava ice cream.
Is that a volcano?
Yeah. And here, it's a glass. That's the lava outside the universe.
The universe?
Yeah.
And then what will happen if there is a
Hey,
there is an eruption?
there's a Robson and the lava broke out the glass and down to the table and to the universe.
In the universe?
Yeah. And there's a lava balloon and a close one American.